The U.S. soybean farmer has lost the market share of soybeans to the Brazilians, to the Argentinians. Now the Brazilians are increasing their ag land astronomically, clearing more rainforests because there's a artificial demand, because the Chinese have to buy beans, and you're going to buy beans in this world either from the U.S., from Brazil, or Argentina. So an adverse effect is years to come, even if we settle a trade dispute. Now you have another country that has a whole lot more production power, and we don't get that demand back.